Well, g'day guys, welcome back to the channel, and I must appreciate so many subscribers. Boy, thank you very much for watching what I do that I've always done. It's really great, but I need your help. The Breville, the beautiful old Breville M96 radio. I'm ready for the alignment. We need the dial on this. So this is where I need your help. Now, this is a two-part glass. This is the backing glass, which you probably can't see a lot of. How about we put that on the back of it? And that's fine. That's actually the backing glass. Okay. So that's fine. And of course, we've got to get a little bit better piece of paper than this. There's also some chipboard or whatever this is type material for the backing glass and the main glass. Now, the main glass is where I need your help. This is a beautiful dial, absolutely superb. I'll put a backing on this so that you can see it. There we go. Look at that. But you can see the numbers are, well, the lettering and the numbers are starting to peel off. Now, to save what's there, on the back, you've only got to touch this, and even there's little bits there. You've only got to touch it, and the numbers are lifting. Okay, you probably can't see it there, but so many, the likes of over here, are lifting off. And you can see where they've been, but the transfers are lifting off. Now, it's nearly impossible to replicate this thing. For me to save what's there, what can I do? Can I put hairspray on it, clear lacquer? What is going to keep those lettering and numbers in place? I've really had very little experience with dials quite as bad as this. Normally they're painted. The other dial is actually painted. They're painted on. This one is looks like just water transfers, and they're just all starting to lift off. Now, if I touch these too much, either with a brush or anything, they lift off. So we've got to go with what we've got. I'll try and clean the best I can in between the numbers and lettering. But what can I use to secure the numbers, the lettering, the actual dial in place so it doesn't go any further? It'll still look $1 million when it's done. I mean, AM radio, what are we going to pick up? We'll probably end up putting a Bluetooth module in this. So, yeah, to preserve what's there, I'd love your comments. Just not real sure where I'd go from here. And I know a lot of yous out there are way ahead of me with stuff like this, with restorations. I've no problems here, but when it comes to this, yeah, there's a bit of a worry. Okay, so this is only a short video. I want to keep going with this and get this job finished. If you could leave your comments, anyone that's got any ideas on dial restoration, yeah, how do we preserve it? Okay, so until next time, as I always say, there'll be a next one, and it's not far away, but I want to get this up and running. We'll catch you then. Okay, all your comments very welcome. Okay, bye for now.